Next thing today is another fan. Now you remember I posted a hand fan in my other video and I was complaining about it, how small it was and how it wasn't blowing enough air. I actually got something better from them, and these are it looks like. These are the manuals. I always advise you kindly read the manual before you use the product to avoid some damages. It's very helpful. Okay. Okay, still have something inside. Okay, it seems like this is a remote. Let's keep it outside. And I believe this should be the connector. So if you observe, it's also using the Type-C port, the Type-C charging port too, so it's good. Then this is the fan. This fan is actually a better fan compared to the previous one I got. This one looks very portable. This one is like a Dex fan, so you can just turn it on. Wow, this is great. If you observe, if you look at this part here, see that it has an LED display where it shows the battery percentage, and it seems it's showing charging sign. So I don't know if it's using solar to charge or something else, but I don't know if it's charging. I don't know what that means, but it's just nice. Okay, it also has lights inside, so you can see how the light is. Okay, with this you can increase the intensity of the air. Press again, you can increase the intensity of the air, but you know, the more you increase it, the more it will drain the battery. Okay, so it goes back to 1. Then let's see what this button does. Oh, the button at the down will make it to be turning. You can see how it is. This is the best hand fan, best table fan I've ever gotten from Temu. You see something like this now, you don't have to stress yourself moving your hand around just like how we're doing on the other ones. All you just have to do is just place it on your table or place it somewhere close to your bed, and I think you're good to go. That's just it. You just place it on your table and it keeps turning like this, keeps distributing the air around you. I still can't open this. I don't know what it's used for. Maybe if there's something you know about this hand fan, about this table fan, you can just tell me in the comment below. I just like how the fan is just blowing. It's just, you can hear the sound. It's just comfortable. Like, I really love it. I don't know how to use the hand fan. I don't know how to use the remote, but if you know how to use the remote, then you can help me too. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.